Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're doing great. Today is going to be a full day of eating video. I am on the Weight Watchers Freestyle program, but I do follow it more of a low carb way. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you through my day, kind of show you what I'm eating, and at the end of it, I will show you all the points I use and all of those things. So if you guys do like these videos, I would love if you would stick around and subscribe. I do these quite often. I do weekly weigh-ins, fashion, cleaning, hauls. I do a little bit of everything around here, and I would love if you guys would stick around. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, but not only to do that, but don't forget to hit the notification bell, and that will let you know every time I upload a video. I try to do that a few times a week, so it'll be great if we can hang out. Alright guys, let me go ahead and show you how my day went. Morning guys, so this is breakfast today. You guys see me make this before. It's just a wrap. I had to change mine up because the store I went to didn't have them, so I'm using these tomorrow wraps, and they are still 1 point. This is the garden vegetable one with the Laughing Cow, or the Aldi version of the Laughing Cow cheese for 1 point. I got 4 pieces of cut up turkey bacon for 3 points, and eggs are 0. Also, these have 5 carbs in the wrap and 1 in the cheese, so this is a grand total of 6 carbs. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat that and drink a bottle of water, and I will see you in a little bit. I just finished my workout. I literally just ran up the stairs. So today is Tuesday, and I did some shoulders with some bis and tris, added some ab work. I've really been trying to do at least 4 days of ab work, and I did about 25 minutes of cardio. So I'm about to get me a protein bar and a bottle of water, and that's gonna be my post-workout. Let me show you what I use. Okay, so we're huge Kirkland fans here in my house, so I got me some Kirkland water, and I got me a Kirkland protein bar. This is the chocolate brownie one. I think it's like two or 5 net. Oh, it has it on here. 4 net carbs, and obviously the water is carb free, but these are 5 points. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to have this, and I will check in with you when I eat something else. 2 o'clock, and I want some coffee. So I decided to go ahead and pour myself some iced coffee. I am going to be using the Starbucks Blonde Roast. I really like this one. I did like the one that they had at Aldi, but they don't sell them anymore around here. I've been looking though, but I'm going to do this, and I'm going to do actually just maybe a half. What I've been doing lately is just having 1 cup of coffee, because I still do my TEAMI skinny, and then lately I've been doing the Profit tea because I ran out of the skinny tea. So that gives me enough of a caffeine jolt, and it kind of craves my it curves my cravings. So I've been breaking these up into just doing half of one of the protein and just having 1 cup of coffee, and it's been really good. And then that's only 1 point. So I'm going to do just a 1 point coffee. So it'll be half of a Premier Protein with the Blonde Roast coffee. And if I still feel like I want more, then I'll have the rest of it, and that whole thing will be for 3 points. Alright guys, so I'm going to start making dinner, and tonight we are having breakfast for dinner. So I'm going to cut up and fry up these pork sausage, and I cut them just into like patties, and this is going to be for Leo and the girls. And then for me, I am going to do this one. This is the one I got from Aldi. It is 3 points for 2 ounces. So I'm going to have that, and then I bought some biscuits. I don't know how many these are, but I'm not having those, but Leo and the kids and Ray will probably have one. And then I'm making some of this sausage country gravy, and then some eggs. So I'll show you how everything looks all plated up, but this is what's for dinner. Do you guys like breakfast for dinner, or am I like the only weirdo? So here is my dinner. I have 4 or 5 ounces of these turkey breakfast sausage that I showed you guys, and then I just made like an egg scramble, and it's just 2 eggs with some like mini bell peppers, onion, and mushroom, and I topped it with 28 grams, like a 1/4 of a cup of reduced fat mozzarella cheese, and I'm going to have one of those tomorrow wraps on the side. So the wrap is 1 point, the cheese I think is 2 points, and the meat is 5 points, so 8 points for dinner. And that is it. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat that. The family, let me show you what. All right, so like I said, we are doing breakfast for dinner. So right here, I just have scrambled eggs, that country gravy. I don't know how much it is. Rhea, how many points?
For 43 grams is 5 points.
So for 43 grams of that is 5 points. I'm not having that, but Rhea is. That is the pork sausage. I believe for 2 ounces is 5 points for that. And those are buttermilk biscuits. Those are 7 points per biscuit. I am definitely not having one of those. And here is the turkey sausage, and that is, I'm having 4 ounces for 5 points. So there you go. That's what's for dinner. Right, guys, so this is going to be like my after dinner snack. I am going to have 113 grams or a half a cup of low-fat cottage cheese. I just weeded it out and I have it in this little bowl with some salt and pepper. And I believe this is 2 points, so I'll end up with 1 point left for the night. And it only has 5 grams of carbs, but 13 grams of protein. I really, really, really love this stuff. So just to go over my points for the day, I used 22, so I have 1 left. I went ahead and put my breakfast in here, the wraps and everything like that, and all my meals. So I ended up using the whole thing of the protein drink, and that's only 2 points for that whole container of the Premier Protein caramel protein shake. And I used that in my coffee, and it was so good. So yeah, so I'm down to just 1 point left, and I'll let that roll over. I did work out today, so I'm thinking that's, you know, why I'm a little bit hungrier. And that's another reason why I have the higher protein today, just because I did a lot of weight training. Hopefully you enjoyed spending the day with me and kind of giving you guys a little bit of a idea of what maybe you can eat, or I don't know, just I like to watch these videos because sometimes I don't think to put these foods together or to buy certain things, and I don't know, or just sometimes you get so worn out of ideas on what to cook. It's always fun to see what somebody else is for inspiration. Because sometimes I just cook the same things and I get so tired of them. And I feel like when I get tired of making the same things, that's when I end up like indulging. And I try not to do that. So I'm going to wrap this video up. Like I said, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and follow me on my social media. I will link everything below. And I will see you on the next one. See you later, guys.
Believe in you will get your round of applause. Alright. A pretty picture for the ones that are lost in life.